should be good now. Now we can try all the techniques we want. There's a doughy. There's a doughy. There's a doughy. There's a doughy. There.
No, James. James?
No, Daniel. Move.
No, James. James, we were like this and mine was too down. And too down.
Yeah, Daniel. Daniel, you have to move out of the way. Daniel. Hello.
So let's test.
Okay, guys, I'm going to give you 5 more minutes and it's time for brush teeth and go to bed.
Nice. My camera.
Daniel, this is a YouTube video. Start playing. Daniel. Bruh. 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 Bruh.
Oma.
Oh.
James, you've been recording this whole time, you're going to run out of memory. I want to for the times where you think you're actually going to get something good. So.
Okay. I think I'll be going.
Daniel, you ready to brush your teeth? You want to brush your teeth first?
No, I want the James.
Okay.
Oh, Dad, I want to be confident.